And there is the rhino. Before I used to think rhinos live only in water.
Hippos, rhino.
Oh,
Rhino na maji hata hapo.
sorry, it's a rhino. It's a rhino. Welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you back again. Guess where I am today? I'm in Nairobi Safari Walk. It's also my first time. But most of the places that I go, it's normally my first time. So I read about it. It seems to be a nice place. Maybe I'll get a chance to see some wild animals. I'm not sure because they mostly prefer people to come in the morning. But as you can see, it's already past noon. So let me just hope for the best. As always, I'll take you along with me. Let's pray we get something good, we get some good things, we get time to see what we came to see. So stick around.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
Can come closer.
We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
The journey starts here. After this, I'll change the camera. You see the bridge and everything. So it's just a long bridge. So we are just going to walk along. I don't know how long it is because I'm just starting it. This is the starting point. We'll walk along the bridge. We hope to see the adventure and everything. I pray we will. I pray. By the way, the place is along Langata Road. Yeah, you take your bus from town. What was the name of that stage? Kencom, in Kencom, March 125. So you take if you're using a public transport. So it's along Langata Road. So let's start our journey. Let's pray to be fun. I hope I'll see something interesting. I'm really looking forward to that. Let's go.
Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? It's a rhino. This is my review about the place. The animals that they said we'll be able to see, actually we saw them. It's true. The hippopotamus, rhinos, not elephant. I didn't see elephant. The lion, I saw the lion, though they were quite far. Antelopes, zebras, monkeys, leopards. As in, it's worth it. It's worth it. The price is affordable. And also the feeling of just walking in the middle of this nature, it's also something so much breathtaking. It's so peaceful. By the way, it's also peaceful. So much nature, the breeze and everything is peaceful. The other question that you can ask is it a good place to come with your family or with your kids? Definitely yes, it is. The kids will enjoy they really enjoy it. Seeing the animals will be fun for them. Plus it's safe. It's really, really safe. It's a place you can walk and you are sure of your safety. So the kids will enjoy the view and everything. It's a nice place to come with your kids. About their timing, they open from 8:30 in the morning to 5:30 p.m. So you can, and also the other thing that I like about the place, no one will come push you. As far as you paid your entry fee, you can stay as much as you want. Just that by 5:30 you go. So imagine even if you come maybe 10 in the morning. You can still stay as even if you want to stay from 10 in the morning to 5 p.m. as you wish. No one will make you like it's time to go or something. No, not unless now when they are closing. So it's worth it. It's so easy to access. You can come with your family. It's so much affordable. You can try it out. Thanks for staying along with me. I appreciate it. Please keep on subscribing if you have not. I'll keep on trying uploading a video whenever I get a time. Until next time, bye bye. You can also suggest for me which other place you'd like me to visit. You can, maybe if I get a chance, I can try and I'll review it on your behalf. Sure. Thank you. Love you.